suicidal subject, 1 Moxie Place, 1 Moxie. Caller stating an employee just quit today and stated she was going to jump off a bridge. Subject is Janee Ryan, black female, 35 years old. Last seen driving an older model, gold Buick SUV. Last wearing a black shirt and black pants. Police be headed to the Blanchette Bridge. Left less than 5 minutes ago. She's known to carry a pistol in the vehicle. 2320-1226.
3206, unclear.
One clear now.
Car 6263, can you show us en route?
En route 1226.
Car 1017, in traffic.
En route 1227. 3206, cars are calling for the suicidal subject. Just be advised, per the caller, the subject did have the firearm today. There have been previous suicide attempts.
3206, unclear.
Car 3203, enter in service.
In service 1227.
3701, enter in back in service.
3701, enter in service, 1230. He is around to the Blanchette Bridge. Just called the phone with MoDOT. They do see a vehicle stopped, 70 eastbound, just past the bridge. 70 eastbound on our side, just past the bridge. It's an older model car on the right-hand side. Yeah, vehicle's turned its lights off. It's unknown if it's related or not, though. It's unclear. Coming in the area on campus first. 3206 arriving. It's 1233.
Car 6263, has anybody attempted to call her on her phone yet?
Car 6263, I have not. Has any other units attempted to call her on her phone, or do you want me to try to call back?
Car 6263, I'll call if no one else has called yet.
Car 6263 calling the subject, 1233. 3206. Car 3206. The vehicle that's stopped in the middle of the roadway, did MoDOT tell you if it's what lane it's in? It's on the right shoulder, it's not on the roadway. Again, it's going to be on the right shoulder.
Car 6263, I'm arriving with them, and she did not answer the phone. She ignored my call.
Car 6263 is on scene, no answer on the phone, it's 1235. 3206, I believe this is going to be one and the same plate of. It's a gold Buick SUV. Unknown if it's occupied at this time. It's clear. One and the same. Station remain held. The subject is believed to be armed with a pistol. Soul 36.
Car 1017, 3206 is making contact with a female subject right now.
Car 1017, 3206 is making contact with a female subject. Soul 37.
Car 1017, she's walking away from him. Let's go ahead and shut down the highway right now if we can.
Car 1017, you need the units to shut down the highway.
Affirmative. Check with 6, see if she's going to be a flight risk, then try to run into the highway.
3206, can you have this?
6, I'm not sure. She's refusing to talk to me. I do not see a firearm on her right now.
Female's refusing to talk. Soul 37.
3201.
3201.
3203.
Where you at?
Try to shut the highway down to St. Charles.
3203 is going to start shut the highway down in St. Charles, and I'll also advise them to Soul 38.
6263, we got the highway shut down.
Car 6263, highway shutdowns.
3206, she keeps walking away from me. She's refusing to communicate.
And car 3206, female's walking away, refusing to communicate.
We need to get the westbound lane shut down. Do you think she's going to cross the highway?
Car 3206, you want the eastbound lane or westbound lane shut down as well? Car 3281 or 90.
80, I'm clear on all that.
Station remains.
3290.
Car 3290 is responding. It's 1238.
Car 1017, I have the firearm here inside the vehicle. Not sure if she has another one on her.
Car 1017 recovered a firearm. I don't know if she's still armed. Car 3206, are you clear?
So it's not clear. We're all out.
Still 39. You can release the station right now. And units out on the highway. Do we need the eastbound lane shut down? I'm not sure if that was ever, or westbound lanes. I'm not sure if that was ever communicated.
3204 negative.
Their westbound lanes remain open. It's still 50.
32 negative. All right.
3290 is on scene. It's still 45.
6263, shots fired.
Touching all cars. Alternative evade for 6263. Shots fired. Station cell. Shots fired.
Station, hold the station.
Our loss is okay, or it's 10-4.
And mother taken into custody.
We're taking the people into custody. Station remains held.
3281 on the route.
Car 3281 is en route. Still 46.
3780. Check with 3290. See if you need any more cars up there.
Car 3290. I do have an active A call in effect. How many more cars do you need?
Car 1017. Go and start EMS if they're not already here.
So EMS is staying near there.
3204. We're secure.
3206, planes 4 and 5 lots. Are you able to confirm this vehicle's on the same?
I'm pulling up on it now.
Station on the LT and it's about as well 35.
Or 663, I'm arriving with them, and she did not answer the phone. She ignored my call.
Car 6263 on scene. No answer on the phone. It's 35.
3206, I believe this is going to be one and the same. Plate of the gold Buick SUV. Unknown if it's occupied at this time.
Recording.
It's the one and the same station remain held. The subject is believed to be armed with a pistol. It's 36.
Show your hands! Show your hands! Show your hands! Show your hands! Put the gun down. Do you have it? Show your hands for me. Come here. Come here. Come here. What's going on tonight? Come here. Talk to me. What's going on? What's going on tonight? That's because we were told you had a gun. No, it doesn't. Just come here and talk to me.
It's a fucking cigarette.
Okay, come here.
Car 1017, 3206, making contact.
What's going on tonight?
217, 3206 making
Hey, what's going on tonight? Come here and talk to me.
Car 1017, you can walk away from them. Let's go ahead and shut down the highway right now if we can.
Car 217 is hitting the units to shut down the highway.
Affirmative. Check with 6, see if she's going to be a flight risk, then try to run into the highway.
6, I'm not sure. She's refusing to talk to me. I do not see a firearm on her right now.
She was refusing to talk, so 37. 3201. 3201. 3. 3, go ahead. Station. St. Louis County on flight 26. Well, let's from St. Louis County flight 20. Do you have any troopers near 70 in the
Hey, Janee, I'm the one that called you. Janee, let's walk. I'm the one that called you. Come here.
I'm not fucking.
They're going to leave you alone. I'm going to walk with you.
I'm not a liar.
Okay, I got one.
I'm not sure if you have one on her.
Car 217 recovered a firearm. I don't know if she's still on. 36.
Here. I know you're going through it. You ain't got it. You did nothing wrong. Please don't think that we're here because you did something wrong.
That motherfucker had his gun on me like I had a
Okay.
fucking weapon on me.
Well, I'm Officer. You can call me.
So fuck you. Take that fucking spotlight off me before I fucking come over there and fucking say.
You guys can stop. She's
Please
fine. Stop. Everybody can stop. Here, light your cigarette and talk to me. I know you're having a rough day. Don't worry about all them. Just
If
talk to
I
me.
take the lighter, can you promise you will actually talk to me? And
Swear to
not
God.
fucking-
Swear to God. On everything. You know, I'm here because we're worried about you. You're not in trouble. I
Okay.
promise you that. You did nothing wrong. Okay? This is not a crime that you're committing or anything. We're here because we're worried about you. That's literally the only reason we're here. Don't. I know. Don't.
Pull this fucking, he's like,
So that's
you
why I
got
said
a
walk
gun.
with
I
me.
said,
Walk with
it's
me
a-
and talk to me because I don't want you to be.
fucking cigarette.
I don't want you to be
Like,
worried.
what the fuck is wrong
Is
with
it
you?
Janee?
Yeah.
I called you like 8 times. You ignored my call. I was trying to avoid all this. We just don't want you to get hurt. We don't want you to hurt yourself and your employees.
It's the fuck.
You guys are good. We're good. We're good. She ain't got no weapon. So, who is this? Harris? Oh, okay. He's fine. He's one of the old cops. He ain't gonna mess with you. Okay? So what's going on? Don't worry about him. Janee, tell me what's going on.
Get out my car.
Hey, look at me. Please tell me what's going on. What happened? I know you're having a... I know. Just talk to me.
I lost my
Can-
mom.
You lost your mom?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Today? Just recently?
A week and a half ago.
I'm sorry.
But Wednesday is supposed to be burying her.
Oh, God.
And
Can I do one look, check your bag real fast just so you can all relax? Okay. Don't reach for it. Don't reach for it.
No, I'm not reaching. I'm sorry. I'm not reaching.
Is the gun in?
Pinky.
Is the gun in there?
I pinky. I promise I won't do anything.
Hey, listen to me. You're going through a lot. Listen to me. Please listen to me, okay? I need you to take a deep breath. Again, you can call me, okay? I just need you to relax. I need you to let me work with you. And we'll get you through whatever you got to get through, okay? I'll pray with you. We'll do whatever we have to do, okay? I just need you to work with me so that everybody don't panic. Can you do that?
Am I talking to you?
Yes, only me.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Keep smoking your cigarette, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put your hands in handcuffs in front of you, just so they relax, and they're all going to leave.
Because he's walking up.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Harris, hey,
Dude, get the fuck off me.
Don't worry about it.
Get off me. I promise you I'm going to punch you in your fucking
Please don't worry
face.
about him. You're not going to get mad.
Get off me.
Listen, don't worry about him.
Bro, back the fuck up.
Why? I told everybody to stand
The
back.
fuck up.
Hey, listen to me. Listen to me.
Back up.
Please listen to me. Don't grab that. Please don't grab nothing. Janee.
Back up.
Janee,
I don't
please.
care if they fucking shoot me.
No, I do though. Janee, please listen to me. Please.
Ooh, that's just one
Janee.
fucking straight in teeth.
Janee, please listen to me.
Leave me the fuck alone.
Can I get you? I got my lighter. Listen to me.
Leave me alone.
Janee, please listen to me. I'm sorry they did that to you. Please listen to me. Janee, please look at me. Don't worry about them. Janee, please don't do this. Please. Me and you were having a good conversation. Let's talk about it. Janee, please. Janee, how can I help you without them? Huh? You gotta talk to me, please. Huh? I know, that's why I'm saying talk to me. Janee, don't talk, don't worry about them. Just look at me. Please just look at me. So that me and you can talk it out. Me and you can talk this. Janee, me and you can deal. Janee, please, listen to me. Me and you can work this out. You gotta ignore all them. That's what you were doing. You were telling me what was going on. You got stuff to do. I know, we got stuff to do on Wednesday. No, he's talking about people behind you. Janee, please. Just come here and talk to me. Just walk over here and talk to me. Don't worry about him. Please don't worry about him. Janee, please come here and talk to me. Janee, please come talk to me. Don't worry about them. You said you were willing to talk to me if they would just leave you alone. I'm sorry that they walked up on you. Me and you have stuff we need to deal with. We got to talk about what's going on. I can't let you do that. You've got big things. Janee, your mom is not wanting you to do that. Your mom wants you to make it there on Wednesday safely. So please, come talk to me. This isn't what you want to do, Janee. So, and you and me were going to talk peacefully before you let them bother you. Me and we're going to do this. We're going to talk. You're going to go with me. You're not worried about none of them. I'm not lying to you. I tell you the truth. Who do you want me to? What's his number? Tell me his number. I'll call him. Janee! Stop it! Drop the gun! Janee, drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Janee, drop it, please! Please drop the gun! Janee, please put the gun down! Janee, please put the gun down! Janee!
Drop the gun!
63 shots fired. Janee, drop the gun, please! Janee, drop the gun, please! She's down. Move away from the gun, Janee! Move away from the gun! Janee, she dropped it. Janee, let me see your hands, please. Let me help you. Janee, let me help you. Let me help you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. Come here, come on. Come on, get up here. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I got her. 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 I got it. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Are you hit? Are you hit? Janee? Are you hit? Let me see. I know it's fine. It's fine. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Drop it! Drop it now! Drop it! Drop the gun! 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 The guy, hey, she's still got the gun. She's all right, gun's gone, gun's gone. Let's go in. Hey! Don't reach for it! Here's the gun.
I-70's on scene, so brief. She's got a gun? Station on car, lost ready to evade for 6263, shots fired, station cell, shots fired. Show me back into the stairs.
Back in service run 2-22.
Officer's okay, or 10-4. Stand by, they're taking it.